Welcome back, freelancers and aspiring gig workers. We're here to provide you with essential insights and tips to excel in the world of online freelancing. So, if you're ready to embark on this freelance journey, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's familiarize ourselves with the basics. Fiverr and Upwork are renowned online platforms that connect freelancers like you with clients seeking specific services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, these platforms offer a wealth of opportunities to showcase your skills and secure valuable gigs. Step number 1: creating an account. The first order of business is signing up and creating an engaging profile on Fiverr and Upwork. Your profile serves as your digital storefront, so it's crucial to emphasize your expertise, highlight previous work experience, and showcase any relevant certifications or qualifications. Remember, a well-crafted profile enhances your chances of attracting potential clients. Step number 2: identifying your niche. In this competitive marketplace, finding your niche is key. Determine the specific services in which you excel and focus on establishing yourself as an expert in that field. Niche specialization allows you to target the right audience and differentiate yourself from others. Step number 3: crafting an enticing gig description. Your gig description plays a vital role in captivating clients. Clearly communicate what you offer, the benefits clients can expect, and why they should choose you over other freelancers. Keep it concise, professional, and showcase your unique selling points. Step number 4: pricing your services. Setting the right price for your services is a crucial aspect. Conduct thorough research on what other freelancers charge for similar services to ensure you remain competitive. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually adjust your rates to reflect your growing expertise. Step number 5: showcasing your portfolio. Your portfolio serves as a powerful visual representation of your skills and capabilities. Include samples of your previous work that highlight your expertise and demonstrate the value you can bring to clients' projects. If you don't have prior work samples, consider creating mock projects to showcase your abilities. Step number 6: building credibility through client reviews. Positive client reviews are invaluable in establishing your reputation and attracting more clients. Deliver exceptional work, maintain clear communication, and strive to exceed client expectations. Happy clients will be more inclined to leave positive reviews, which can significantly boost your chances of securing future gigs. Step number 7: proactively searching for gigs. Don't wait for clients to come to you, take initiative. Regularly browse through the available gigs on Fiverr and Upwork, and submit compelling proposals tailored to each client's specific requirements. Personalize your pitches and demonstrate your understanding of their needs to stand out from the competition. Step number 8: delivering exceptional work and providing outstanding customer service. Once you secure a gig, it's time to shine. Dedicate yourself to delivering high-quality work within the agreed-upon timeframe. Prioritize open communication with clients, promptly address any concerns or queries, and strive to exceed their expectations. Going the extra mile can lead to repeat business and positive referrals. Thank you for joining us today on this step-by-step guide to getting started on Fiverr and Upwork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow freelancers. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content to help you excel in your freelancing journey. As always, if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, keep improving your skills, seizing opportunities, and embracing the freedom of freelancing. Take care and happy freelancing!